we arrived at what we thought was the resort, but it's not. We're on the wrong side actually. However, I thought it was a good opportunity to show you this side, which is the other side of the resort. I don't know if you can see that in the foreground. It's beautiful, really beautiful. And if it wasn't for the fact I wanted to show you the White Pebble Beach Resort, I would be probably in the water here, because I've just bought a new snorkel and mask suit. Because I didn't mention it, but when I was in Angelica and I went into the sea, this snake come up in front of me. It was like yellow and black, or was it orange and black stripe, whatever. It was only small, it was very small, about 6-7 inches, but it scared me rather, so I thought I'd better get a wetsuit this time. So I don't know what you think of this place. It's really quite nice, but it's no Angelica, definitely not. And the people here are nice. We've met some really nice people, very helpful. But it's a nice beach if you want to come. My advice would be, if you want to come to this side, is make sure you've got a cooler box and you've got plenty of water and beer if you want to bring some beer, and plenty of food, and just make a day of it. It's about I would say an hour and 10 minutes from Naga to here. It's not really that far, and it's a really pleasant ride if you're coming on a motorbike. But like I say, I really want to get across to the resort and film that, and if I can't, then I shall come back and spend the rest of the day just relaxing in the water. I mean, I could think of worse places to be, couldn't you? I love the Philippines. I just love this stuff. I've probably put on the video the motorbike ride coming to here, and that in itself is an experience. It really is. It's just fantastic. So this bit here is the Pebble Beach Resort, and the huts over there that you see is what you pay to stay overnight. I believe it's about 1,000 to 1,500 pesos, depending on the hut and how many people was here, I would have thought. Again, we're out of season, so the place is empty, which is unfortunate, because I would have liked to have seen, you know, 1 or 2 people here, but you can't manufacture these things. I mean, the sea's beautiful here, absolutely beautiful, and I'd have no problem bringing a cold box and staying here for a day, which today it's probably only going to be a couple hours. But just remind you all, I haven't got my gimbal, so I'm actually carrying the GoPro, holding the GoPro, sorry, until I can get the new gimbal off my friend when he comes from the UK. So this is White Pebble Beach.
Welcome to Naga City. Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.